this is Milind Soman on Staying Alive in Bollywood. I try to get out as much as I can from Bombay, come to a place like this. It's not very far, it's about just 100 kilometers. Of course, you have to wake up a little earlier, but then you get to see this fantastic scenery, these beautiful greens, this lovely golden grass. Today we are going on a trek to a very popular point in Khandala called the Duke's Nose. It's a 2,000-foot high peak in Lonavala. I'll be climbing up the peak from behind and rappelling down about 400 feet, and that to me what is going to make my day and make me happy about going back to the city. I promise you it will be very exciting. Follow me. This is the first time that I'm going to Duke's Nose, even though it's so close to Bombay. And what the crazy people who do this kind of stuff have told me, that all you need to do something this exciting is the right pair of shoes and a bottle of water. For me, an adventure is anything new. Of course, anything new gives you that adrenaline rush. There is a challenge. Obviously, but you try and make the challenge bigger and bigger and bigger every time. So it's always fun to try a new sport. I mean, okay, after you've done bungee jumping, then you do river rafting, then you do scuba diving, then after scuba diving you dive with sharks, then you do mountain climbing, you do rappelling, you jump off the mountain, skydiving or hang gliding. So you always try to surprise yourself, surprise your mind, surprise your spirit, surprise your body with different adventure experiences. I mean, to keep fit on a regular basis, I swim or I run or I can cycle and do things like that, things that you can do every day. But you always want to break it with testing yourself with your fitness level. Not only the fitness level of your body, but the fitness level of your mind, of your spirit, how much you can push yourself, how far you can go, how much excitement you can really get out of life from a moment. I try to do stuff like this as often as possible, and it's not just walking around in beautiful places like this. It could be kayaking, river rafting. I've been mountain climbing all over the place. My favorite trek up a mountain was Kilimanjaro in Africa, which was absolutely incredible. I'm going to do a little warm up. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. And I hope I don't trip.
Shalini Bhargava, and today we are going to talk about Zumba, which is the latest group fitness activity which has really caught on with everybody. Zumba is a very, very aerobic cardiovascular workout. It's based on Latin American dance moves. So you have the salsa, you have the cha-cha, you have the samba. You also have hip-hop, reggaeton, elements of belly dancing, and also elements of Indian bhangra. And when you mix all these things together and put it into a fitness workout, you get Zumba. Zumba actually means very high energy, so the workout is a very high energy, intense workout, though it has intervals of very high intensity coupled with low intensity, so it's everybody can follow it. When I say Zumba is based on Latin American dance moves, we actually have the cha-cha steps, the samba steps, or the salsa steps involved. And since Latin American dance moves have a lot of movement at the butt region and the waist region, so Zumba is very good for the lower body as well as your core. When we introduce elements of belly dancing into it, we work a lot on our abs and our obliques. And then there are arm movements involved throughout. So typically Zumba works the entire body, from the upper body to the core region to your lower body. So that's how it's a very, very good workout.